So for this eggplant soup, you'll be needing your eggplants, you'll be needing your protein, you'll be needing your pepper, onion, and a little bit of tomato. I added sachet tomato here. I added sachet tomato in mine. If you want to use tomato, that's totally fine. You can just use your pepper and onions. So this is just me parboiling my fish and my chicken and then my garden egg, and it's done here. So this is just how the fish looks after parboiling. If you don't want to parboil your protein, you can just go straight to making the soup, but this is how I like doing mine. So I'm just trying to fry here. I'm frying my protein before I boil it so that it will be a little bit hard. I don't want it too soft, that's why I'm frying it. So if you don't want to fry yours, that's totally fine. You can just go straight to making your soup. So if you want to know when your garden egg is ready, the color is going to be like so in the video. So once it's like this, you can turn into your sieve so that it gets cooler for you to be able to either blend or pound. Make sure you always check what you're frying so that it doesn't get burnt. So once your protein turns golden brown, you know that it's done, and then you remove from the fire so that it doesn't get burnt. So I'm going to be using the same pot for my soup. I just turn in my red oil. You can use groundnut oil, but I prefer to use red oil. Then you go in with your pepper mix. You just add it and then you mix it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my tomato paste. If you don't want to use tomato paste, it's totally fine. But I like to use tomato paste because it gives it that reddish color. So at this point, you must have blended or pounded your eggplant, because that's the next thing that will be going into the soup after you add your protein. So it has to be ready. I'm just adding my meat stock. So at this point, you can adjust with water and your seasoning cube. And then you add your protein and then you allow to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Adjust with water if it's too thick, and then you cover and allow to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. So after 3 minutes I checked it and the water went down a bit, so I'm adding my eggplant. I'll add my eggplant and allow to cook for a while, for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, because I don't want the eggplant to be too soft, because I already boiled it before pounding, so I wouldn't want it to overstay on the fire. So I'll just allow it to cook for just 1 minute. So you mix very well and then you cover and allow to cook for just 1 minute. If you don't want it to be too soft, but if you want it to be extremely soft, you can allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. So I tasted mine and I had to adjust with my seasoning cube. That's what I'm doing here. So if you need to adjust with your seasoning cube, you can go ahead and do that. So this after leaving the eggplant soup for 1 minute. This is how it looks. And I'm going to be eating mine with eba, cassava flakes. You can eat with rice, anything. You can serve with any swallow of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.